Why did Trump decide not to renew the USMCA trade deal, affecting San Diego's economy? The answer reveals surprising political and economic motives that impacted cross-border trade and local jobs in unexpected ways. The USMCA, or United States-Mexico-Canada Agreement, was designed to update NAFTA and strengthen trade ties between the three countries. It focused on modern issues like digital trade and automotive rules. For border cities like San Diego, USMCA was crucial because it supported industries dependent on smooth cross-border commerce, including manufacturing and agriculture. Many expected Trump to renew USMCA to protect these economic benefits. Trump's reluctance to renew the USMCA stemmed from his America First trade philosophy. He criticized the deal for not doing enough to reduce trade deficits with Mexico and Canada. Additionally, he pushed for stricter labor and environmental standards to protect American workers, especially in manufacturing sectors. These concerns led him to consider renegotiating or not renewing the deal to gain leverage or secure better terms. San Diego's economy is tightly linked to Mexico through supply chains, manufacturing, and goods movement. Uncertainty about USMCA renewal created fears among businesses about tariffs and trade barriers, potentially raising costs and slowing operations. This uncertainty threatened thousands of jobs in sectors like automotive parts, agriculture, and logistics that rely on seamless cross-border trade. Local leaders worried about long-term economic damage if the deal was not renewed. Trump's decision not to renew USMCA was driven by complex political and economic factors aimed at protecting American workers. Yet, this move created real risks for border economies like San Diego, showing how trade deals deeply affect local livelihoods. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.